ImSimQA is a software package that uses virtual phantoms for the quick, repeatable testing of deformable image registration in radiotherapy. It simulates CT, MR, PET and 4D. ImSimQA complements the use of traditional physical phantoms. The software includes a library of virtual phantoms, or the user can import their own DICOM images for testing and analysis. ImSimQA closes the loop of testing, validation and understanding. Import center-specific DICOM images or use the ImSimQA library of any 25 virtual phantoms. Deform and edit the images within ImSimQA to create a gold standard dataset. Export the deformed images and structures to your clinical imaging system. Run DIR in the clinical system. Export the DICOM results to ImSimQA. Run analysis. ImSimQA compares the original images, contours and deformation vector fields with the results output by the clinical system. ImSimQA then provides definitive pass or fail results using a range of metrics. Testing can be performed with no disruption to treatment, providing users confidence in the performance of complex clinical systems. Gold standard datasets are stored in the ImSimQA database, saving time for both staff and equipment. Developed to support the recommendations of the AAPM Task Group 132, ImSimQA provides radiotherapy centers with the only commercially available quality assurance package for image fusion and DIR. This enables commissioning and ongoing QA of imaging software systems in radiotherapy.